The woman had just taken a sip of her drink and suddenly felt something strange in her mouth. She coughed twice, only to realize with horror that there was a tooth in the cup. After checking, she realized it was her own tooth. Before she could fully process what was happening, something even stranger occurred. Her skin began to slowly disappear. Panicking, she tried everything to stop it, but nothing worked. In a matter of seconds, her entire hand had vanished. Desperately, she rushed to the next room. The security guard who saw her tried to intervene, but with a swift motion of her hand, he was thrown aside. She slammed the door shut just in time, but things only got worse from there. Her face began to contort and twist. In her frantic state, she suddenly remembered something. Quickly, she grabbed her purse, pulled out a small vial of medicine, and poured the liquid into her palm. She chewed the contents hard, hoping for a miracle. For a brief moment, it seemed to work. Her body started to stabilize, but just when she thought she was safe, she felt a tearing sensation inside her. Her body began to disintegrate at an even faster rate. Suddenly, everything faded, and the scene flashed back to a few days earlier. That day, she had unwittingly entered a pharmaceutical company. On the surface, the company seemed to offer attractive benefits, but behind the scenes, they were developing experimental drugs. Unbeknownst to her, the drugs were designed to push the limits of human brain capacity. She sensed something was off, but before she could leave, a group of men in black overpowered her. They forced her to take an experimental drug still in the testing phase. This drug was designed to enhance the brain's capabilities to their full potential, but with a grave risk. If the body couldn't handle it, it would start to break down. When she woke up, her mind had changed. She could sense everything around her, her perception of reality sharpened beyond human limits. But just as she was about to leave and return home, something unexpected happened.
हम यहाँ पर इंक्वायरी कर लेंगे